Do you know that Caitlin Ohashi, a former UCLA gymnast, captured the world's attention with a floor routine that went viral, scoring a perfect 10.0 and amassing millions of views online? Born on April 12, 1997, in Seattle, Washington, Ohashi was a gymnastics prodigy from a young age.
One of the greatest niches to get into on YouTube is the women's sports niche, because the virality scores are higher than men's sports in RPM ranges, from $2 to $10 per 1,000 views. This YouTube channel focuses on ladies' sports, mainly gymnastics, and is banking up to $87,000 a month because the sports niche RPM averages around $2 to $10 per 1,000 views without ever showing their face. Even crazier, the channel just started up a few months ago, and that's just from YouTube ad revenue. But when you add their weekly sponsorships from big brands, they're pulling in closer to $100,000 a month. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same, using AI to script, edit, and launch your own faceless YouTube channel. I'll walk you through every step, and I'll even be documenting my own journey so you can follow along and see the results firsthand. So, if you're ready to quit your 9-to-5 and dive into YouTube automation, stick around. Every part of this video is packed with value. First things first, let's break down the business concept. YouTube pays creators when viewers spend time on their videos. Most YouTubers, like you and me, put in the effort to create content themselves. But what if you could automate everything using AI? That's the model we're covering today. How to run a YouTube channel without ever having to be on camera. The example I shared earlier makes $87,000 a month talking about lady sports, an evergreen niche because people love to watch women's rare ends on camera. And the best part, it's easy to reproduce. Let me show you how simple it is. To write scripts, we're using ChatGPT. If you've never used it, it's straightforward. All you have to do is ask ChatGPT to write a script for the video idea you have. For example, I ask it for a list of the most popular female gymnastics, or go to Chrome in incognito mode and search for sports. YouTube will show you what's trending. This is one of the methods I use on another channel. Then, I chose Caitlin Ohashi because she is currently trending on YouTube. I will ask ChatGPT for a 200-word summary about her with the hook. Did you know? Within minutes, ChatGPT wrote a summary. The best part about AI is that it speeds up the most time-consuming part of content creation. You can even ask it for an engaging hook or to expand specific sections, making it incredibly versatile and efficient. Next up is sourcing the video materials without risking copyright strikes. I will show you my strategy for reusing content without copyright issues, and the strategy I'm about to show you will work specifically for this type of content creation. To source the clips for our voiceovers, I will use YouTube and TikTok. Make sure not to skip this part to avoid copyright issues. First, I will look for any videos of Caitlin Ohashi on TikTok and download them using a site called sstic.io. If I don't find enough videos, I will go to YouTube, search for more videos of her, and download them. Once we have enough clips, we'll move on to the best part. To remove the metadata from these clips, I will use two websites, metadata.com and freeconvert. Head over to Metadata Remover, upload your file, and wait for a few seconds. This website will remove the data that identifies the owner. Make sure to rename the files so you don't mix them up. Next, go to freeconvert to rewrite the video file into .mov format, then download it. Now, I'll show you how to make this copyright-free in CapCut as the final process. Drop your clip into the timeline, extract the audio, and then delete it. Slow the video down to 8 seconds to change the frequency pixelation. I will name this free to use, then export it. Congratulations, you now have a copyright-free video. However, I wouldn't recommend uploading it without adding some creativity. I'll show you how I do that in a bit. Now let's put the video together. First, I will drop the clip into CapCut and chop it up, then shuffle them around. This will securely place the video under the YouTube Fair Use guideline. Next, add the voiceover script that ChatGPT gave you from 11 Labs. Now what I normally do is play the voiceover while listening for key points, and then add an image to show it. For example, if the script talks about her birthday, then I would add an image showing her birthday. If the script talks about how many awards she got, then I would add an image showing her award and so forth. This is to give you an idea of how to remove and convert other people's videos from YouTube without copyright issues, and then add your own creativity, style, and edits to it. For the thumbnail, I will just click the cover to add the most revealing part from the video and customize it how I see fit. You can get creative by creating a similar thumbnail from your competitor's video. Now, I will use the same background copyright-free music they are using to get thousands of views. Now I will upload the video and do some SEO. I will use vidIQ extension to give me a title. After that, I will add the same tags that my competitor by using YouTube Tag Grabber. Simply grab the link from a viral video and paste it here. Then copy all the tags and paste it at the tags section, then upload. YouTube will take a few days to find audience for your new channel, so don't give up and keep testing this idea. I also have a new video how to grow on TikTok, so go and check it out.